Dr. Zakir Naik's tour to South Korea. This November 14th and 15th. Come to watch live, demystifying and challenging public talks on God and Islam.
Invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in the ways that the best ways.
Inshallah, on Saturday 14th November 2015 at 5:30 p.m. after Maghrib.
There are about 20 common questions which
Witness
are there
Dr.
in
Zakir
the minds
Naik
of
respond objectively to the widespread allegations against Islam in his talk, Misconceptions About Islam,
what the media has created.
At Daejeon Islamic Center, Daejeon, South Korea. Inshallah, on Sunday, 15th November 2015 at 4 p.m. Reflect with Dr. Zakir Naik as he analyzes probabilities, evidences and facts on Does God Exist?
I gave you the answer, you didn't hear it.
At Olympic Park Tel, Seoul, South Korea. Both public talks will inshallah be followed by open question and answer sessions.
If a person is without religion.
People from all religions and faiths are welcome. Admission is free. Dr. Zakir Naik's tour to South Korea.